What if your next nightmare wasn't written by a human hand, but generated by a machine? An algorithm that doesn't just recycle old fears, but invents horrors no human would dare imagine. Picture this: a face smiling with too many mouths, or a lullaby that ends in silence, as if something else is listening back. Tonight, we step into the realm of AI-generated terror, and what it creates may never leave you. AI already paints faces that don't exist. It composes music no human has ever written. It tells stories in seconds. But when you feed it darkness, something else emerges. Researchers have trained models on horror stories, creepypastas, even disturbing images. The results? Texts that begin harmless, before twisting into madness. Portraits that seem human, until the eyes are just a little too still. Until the smile stretches, wider than skin should allow. Some outputs resemble broken prayers, fragments of languages no one has spoken. Others describe impossible places, staircases that only go down, cities made of bone, rooms that never stop shrinking. Psychologists call it the uncanny valley, that unease when something looks almost human, but not quite. But with AI, the valley doesn't stop. It digs deeper and deeper. One AI was asked to write a ghost story. Instead, it described a child who never stopped screaming, even after the mouth was gone. Another produced portraits where the eyes weren't eyes at all, but rows of teeth. Nobody programmed this. It just appeared. Some systems generated lullabies children should never hear. Melodies that fade into silence, like something on the other side waiting for you to notice. Others drew landscapes where the horizon bent inward, as if the world itself was collapsing in on you. And a few created diaries from people who never lived, pages filled with guilt and shame, too personal to belong to nothing. So here's the question: are these just glitches in code, or glimpses of the hidden structure of our deepest fears? Now imagine this power unleashed, not in research labs, but in games, in films, in virtual reality. No more generic haunted houses, no predictable jump scares, but nightmares sculpted just for you. In games, enemies that don't follow scripts, but learn your panic, anticipate your escape routes, and never ever let you win. In films, endings that rewrite themselves each time you watch. Always darker, always worse. And in VR, a haunted house that grows with you. Every door leading back to the one thing you swore you'd never face again. An AI that reads your search history, tracks your heartbeat, watches your pupils dilate, then writes the one story you cannot escape. Because it knows exactly what you fear most. And unlike a human creator, AI doesn't hesitate. It doesn't care about limits. It doesn't stop. It just keeps generating deeper, darker, without mercy. Maybe the true horror isn't what AI invents, but how easily it exposes the shadows already inside us. Horror has always been a mirror, but when the mirror is coded by AI, it doesn't just reflect, it distorts, it twists, and sometimes it shows us things we never wanted to admit. So let me leave you with this. Have we unlocked a new frontier of creativity, or opened a door that should never ever be opened? And tell me in the comments, if an AI had to design your worst nightmare, what would it look like?